welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 2. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: a developer must create a custom pagination solution for accessing approximately 2000 records and displaying 50 records on each page. Data from Salesforce will be accessed via an API and not via Apex. How can the developer meet these requirements? Choose two options. Option A: use a standard set controller. Option B: use cursor 50 in SOQL queries. Option C: use offset in SOQL queries. And option D: use limit 50 in SOQL queries. The correct answer is option C and D. Next question is: a company has a custom object request C that has a checkbox field completed C and a lookup to opportunity C, which SOQL query will get a unique list of all of the opportunity records that have a completed request. Please go through the options. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: what is the correct syntax for calling a controller action from a Visual Force page and updating part of the page once the action is completed? Choose two options. Please go through the options. The correct answer is option B and D. Next question is: the account edit button must be overridden in an organization where a subset of users still uses Salesforce Classic. The organization already has a Lightning component that will do the work necessary for the override and the client wants to be able to reuse it. How should a developer implement this? Option A: override the edit button for both Lightning and Classic with a Lightning component. Option B: override the edit button for both Lightning and Classic with a new Visual Force page. Option C: override the edit button for Lightning with a Lightning page, and for Classic, override the edit button with a Visual Force page that contains the Lightning component. And option D: override the edit button for Lightning with a Lightning component, and for Classic, override the edit button with a Visual Force page that contains the Lightning component. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: what is the transaction limit on the number of @future invocations? Option A: 100. Option B: 150. Option C: 50. Option D: 200. And option E: there is no limit. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, what is the transaction limit on the number of callouts? Option A 100, option B 150, option C 50, option D 200, and option E there is no limit. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, a developer has written an after update trigger on account. A workflow rule and field update cause the trigger to repeatedly update the account records. How should the developer handle the recursive trigger? Option A, deactivate the trigger and move the logic into a process or flow. Option B, deactivate the workflow rule to prevent the field update from executing. Option C, use a static variable to prevent the trigger from executing more than once. And option D, use a global variable to prevent the trigger from executing more than once. The correct answer is option C. Thank you.